If your team is still manually copying data from Excel to SharePoint list, then I'm gonna show you a hack. By using the Power Automate, you can fully automate it in no time. Here is the live automation. Let's start building our automation. We need to start from our last demo automation site that I had already created for our last videos. So I just created a new employees record SharePoint list, as well as I have created a new employees update Excel sheet and created a table there and put it some demo data. We can use that data to update a SharePoint list from Excel automatically. Let's start building with the flow. So we need to create an scheduled cloud flow. We name it anything. I will name it sync Excel to SharePoint thing. Next step, we add list rows present in a table. Then we need to select our demo automation site. Then the library name is documents, so we select our library name. Then the file, it is employees update Excel sheet, so we select that. Then the table name, it is employees table. That's it for this step. Then we proceed with the next step, and we need to add filter array there. In the from and in the filter query, you guys don't need to worry about the formulas. I will put the link of all of the formulas in the description so you can copy it from the description. In the from, we use that formula like the output we received from the list rows present in a table. And in the filter query, we will choose this formula. Why I put employer name and salary name there? Because we are dealing with the multiple rows and we have some rows that comes with the empty data and they don't have anything. So we have to put it in the formula. Otherwise, if we don't put a formula or condition for empty rows, otherwise it will throw us an error. Let's proceed with the next step with the apply for each loop. We just need to put the body of filter arrays there, nothing else. After the apply for it, we need to add another action, get items from SharePoint. We need to choose a site, it is demo automation site. Then we need to choose our list, it's employees record list. And then in the advanced parameter top count, we put one there. And in the filter query, so we need to put that formula there. Title equal items apply to each employee's name. After that, we add a condition there. In the condition, we just put the formula that gets the output of get items and is equals to we put is greater than zero. That's it for this condition. And then for the true branch, we need update item from SharePoint. For the site address, we choose a site demo automation. For the list, we choose a list employees record. For the ID, we just outputs the first item with the ID value and it will work fine. And then in the advanced option for the column limits, we don't limit any column because we want the apply for each to execute all the columns as well as we want run goes through every row data. So that's why we don't apply any limit there. For the title, we just apply the items applied to each formula, and then we put the employer's name there. All the other formulas are same. We just need to change the column name, and it will work fine for us. Now in the department, we just add the department formula. For the salary, we add salaries formula. For the email, we are just applying the email formula. As I already told you, all the formulas are same. We are just adding the items that we are getting from the applier for each. We are just changing the column name. But the overall formula remains in sync and it remains unchanged and it works fine for this. For the status value, we need to add a custom value to add a custom formula there. By default, status is active. Leave the content ID type empty. It will work fine, no worries. So we have already added our formulas. Now we proceed towards the false branch. In the false branch, we need to add create item from SharePoint. We just need to select a site, demo automation, then our list. All the formulas in the create items and in the update items are exactly the same. You just copy those formulas from the update item and paste in the create item list. It will work fine, nothing else. So I have successfully added all of my formulas from the update item and into the create item. What I just did, I just copied the formulas of update items and just paste into their relevant column, nothing else. All the formulas in the update item and create items are same. Now we have successfully created a flow. Now it's our time to save the flow and then we test the flow. Our flow is successfully saved. Now proceed with the test. So we need to click test. In the beginning, we always proceed with the manual testing. So we just click manual and then click test. So it is a schedule flow. You have to schedule it accordingly. I was just testing it manually. Run flow, then done. Wait a bit and our triggers will run. Our flow ran successfully and it is already created a item. So we have to proceed with the SharePoint list. We just need to refresh it and all of our records are created successfully. Now the point is if I change something there, like if I change David from supply chain to HR and also I'm changing the David salary from 2000 USD to 1000 USD, but it is not automatically updating in a SharePoint list. It comes with the stale data. So you have to schedule your flow in a way that whenever you do any changes, your flow will run and do that changes. So we once again need to run this flow again one time and we will see it will successfully update the records in the SharePoint. Once again, we go with the manual testing. Now our flow ran successfully and you see it will update the items there. So it will run a true branch and it will update the item instead of creating the item. So we will see in a SharePoint list, just need to refresh it. So we see David data changed to HR and David's salary is also changed automatically. In this way, you can use Power Automate to automatically update your SharePoint test record from the Excel. That's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like the video, please follow and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want more automations like that, let me know in the comment section or DM me or email me. Thanks for watching.